Rahim. This is October 2004, question number 6 and first variant, paper 1, because there are no variant before 2009. Okay, question is this fx is given until pi. We have to convert this into I format. This is given, okay, this form. And look at here, this cos square is not in the solution, only sine square. So this is a formula we have. It means I don't need cos, which I don't need, make a subject. So sine square will go on the other end. Cos square is equals to 1 minus sine square. So this value I'm going to replace here, cos in the place of cos. So let's start. It means 5 sine square x as it is, 3 times to 1 minus sine square x. Now the rest is algebra only, so I believe this is nothing hard. 3 minus 3 sine square. And I just tell you, this equal sign will continue as it is, okay? So this 5 out of 5, 3 gone, I get 2. But because he's asking a before and sine square later, so I'll copy this 3 before. 5 positive and 3 negative, I get a 2 sine square x. And did he ask for stating? Yeah, he asking for AB values. So A is this, so A value is 3. Okay, I can write it here. So A value is 3 and B value is 2, that's it. Okay, I repeat again because the value is A and B is multiplying with a sign. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, this is a sign. Okay, so this part is very, very clear. And now I'm going to do part number 2. Part number 2, what we have, students, he's asking find the values of x for this. So question comes in mind. We have to replace this value or converted value. Because if I use this one, I have sine and cos both together. And we cannot solve such kind of questions. So we need one, either sine or cos. So this value, f of x, I will replace here. So f of x equal to 7. F of x is equals to 7 sine x. And this f of x value, which I got it, this I will replace here. And I believe now you're understanding what is going on. So let's continue. I think up till here, no problem. Reorder, right, in first sine square. It will come this side minus 7 sine x. And this 3 I will write at the end equals to 0. Okay, 3 2s are 6. And I think I can factorize or I can apply quadratic formula. So 6 1s are 6. So 6 sine x minus 1 sine x. Or if you are not getting easy, so assume sine x as a k. Okay, no problem at all. From here, what is common, students? 2 common. Or I think so I have to go for easy way because some students getting issues. No problem. So I can say what here, students? I can say here, let let sine x equals to k. If this is k, so this naturally k square. So I can write it now. I can write it 2k square minus 7k and plus 3 equal to 0. Now I'm going to factorize to 6. 6 1s are 6. It is a very clear factorization. You can apply quadratic formula even. So I think clear. Negative 1 common, k minus 3. And if these brackets value same, it means we are doing correct. K minus 3 and 2k minus 1. We have many ways. Now this is 0 and this is 0, 1 by 1. I got two answers, 3, and I got a k is equals to half. 1 goes there and 2 divides, so become positive half. When I keep this value there, so sine x is equals to 3 and sine x is equals to half. But for your knowledge, here no solution, because when I take a sine inverse of 3, we get a no solution. You know why no solution? Because whenever we check the sine curve, sine curves stay in the boundary limit of highest +1 and lowest -1. That is why this value is in above 1 and below not. So it means there no solution, here no solution. 3 is above 1. And I believe all students understanding why it is not feasible to get the answer. So let's talk about the other one. Sine is positive in which quadrants? So sine is positive in first and the second one. But for your knowledge, this is out of range. Why you can ask out of range? Because we have to stay in a, sorry, both in range. Sorry. Because both are pi form. So I take this x as a fundamental principal angle alpha, so sine inverse of half. And I'm getting here pi 30 degree. 30 degree means means pi by 6. So pi by 6 here and pi by 6 here. But you know, students, first answer is this, second answer is this. So I bring x back and I'm going to find all answers. First answer is pi by 6. Second, what is total? Is it called 180 or it's called pi? So pi minus pi by 6. That means I get two answers, pi by 6 and 5 pi by 6. Okay, students. So let's go for the last part. He is asking the range of f of x. It is a very easy and nothing hard at all. I'm going to do find here. Part number third. Range. I discuss a very simple way. We can see here, if we have a sine and cos, we can get by range by putting +1 and -1. But if we have a sine square and cos square, we can plug in +1 and 0. So very simple technique. I will copy first of all this expression. I am going to copy. Wait a minute, students. Look, sorry for that. This expression I'm going to copy here. Okay, students. And now I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. Best technique is what, students? One time I will replace this to whole sine square by +1, and one time I will replace 0. So here I get a 5 and here I get a 3. The range is coming from here is highest is 5 and lowest is the value is 3, and this is my final answer. Now you can ask me, why not, sir? One is +1 -1 in case when sine falls, but +1 and 0 in case when sine square and cos square. Y square will convert negative value into positive, so lowest value will convert 0. That 0 stays here. There's a logic behind it. So I hope so. The point is very clear of this range he was asking for. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, the concept is clear.